Key fob programming for your 2016 Mazda 6 involves syncing the remote to your car's computer. This is needed for keyless entry and starting the engine. Your Mazda uses radio frequency RF to communicate between the key fob and the car. We'll focus on the DIY ignition cycle method, which is effective if you have at least one working key. If you have no working keys, you'll need a professional. Make sure your car is stationary, with doors closed, and avoid doing this in extreme temperatures. First, close all doors and ensure no other key fobs are nearby. Insert your working key into the ignition, but don't start the engine. Turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the car, then press the lock button on your key fob once. Turn the ignition off. Repeat this sequence 2 more times for a total of 3 cycles. After the 3rd cycle, turn the ignition on again. The hazard lights should flash twice, or you'll hear a chime indicating you're in programming mode. Next, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 1 to 2 seconds. A chime should confirm the programming. Turn the ignition off and test the fob by locking and unlocking the doors. If it fails, repeat the process or consult a dealer.